Hello my friends, today, as per request, I will show you how to professionally butcher a chicken. First things first, let's make sure there's nothing inside. I'm going to start with removing bottom legs. As you see, there's nothing here, no meat, just a skin. Cut it on both sides and snap the spine. Slide your knife under the cracked point and cut off. That bird doesn't need those wings anymore. So find the joint and cut it off. As you see, I'm using only a paring knife. I'm not applying any much pressure, I'm not cutting through the bone, just through the cartilage. To take off the breast, slide your knife alongside the breastplate and slowly pull the meat away from the middle. And keep cutting alongside the bone and the rib cage until you reach the joint. Cut through the joint and keep cutting alongside the bone until the breast is off the carcass. Now this part is called Frenching or supreme. You probably know that when you order a chicken at the restaurant. Use the dull part of the knife to clean the bone and remove the cartilage from the tip of the bone. Cut off the excessive skin and here you have chicken supreme. Now second breast, same as the first one. Slide your knife alongside the bone, keep going down, alongside the wishbone, onto the joint, and cut it through. And this ugly monster I'm gonna save for a soup. On the bottom of the chicken breast is located chicken tenderloin or chicken tenders. You bread them and feed them to the children. Here you have chicken drum wing. You can actually cut off as much muscle as you want. Now, do your math. How many chickens they have to slaughter for you to be able to order one pot of wings, huh? Now leg might get a little tricky. Touch it first and feel the soft spot where is the meat and where is the bone, and then cut it around it alongside the plate. Now snap the leg out of the socket, find the joint and cut it through. Repeat the process on the other side. It might be challenging on the beginning, but the more you do it, the better you get. And the remaining piece, of course, for a soup. Now here you're gonna have to find the joint and imagine in your head. I can give you a tip. It's higher than you think. Now guess what? For aesthetic professional look, you can French drumstick as well. Look how cute they are. Now, my last technique. It's very easy. It's for those impatient. You don't need to find the joints, no bones. All you need is machete. What would you like me to butcher next?